What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has taken a little bit of a dip in the last 24 hours, just over 2% down, and over the week it has dropped down a massive 32% guys, which is not looking too great. So we're going to be looking at going into 2024 over the next 24 hours. What can we expect from Milady meme coin? Is it still a crypto worth investing into or even holding on to going into 2024, or should you sell it and take it out and invest into a different crypto? Or does it have the potential to pump up in value and give you a decent amount of return on investment next year? That's what we're going to be going through, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can still see that Milady meme coin is performing lower than expected, as it is valued at lower than the average value here in purple, so it is not performing too well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow midday, Milady meme coin should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, do expect green candles in between, where it's likely to pump up a little bit, just like how it's been before over the last 24 hours. But overall it has been moving towards a negative direction, that is likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours as well, moving towards the bearish direction, even though it is going to hit green candles in between, as of course that is part of the process. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we see here? So the blue and the orange line in this case are still not looking too great, still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So guys, more drops in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, the crypto should again be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. So if we go back here, over the week itself has dropped 32%, but as you guys can see, over the month it is still up 115%. However, since the 15th or 16th of December, the crypto has taken a major drop guys, at least about 45 to 50% down, which is quite of a huge drop, and I'm expecting it to drop further over the next week or so. So towards the end of next week, which means we will be in 2024, now I'm expecting more red days over the coming days for Milady meme coin. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit 1 or 2 green days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking even worse guys. The blue and the orange line are looking very bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, the fact that they are looking this steep, heading towards the bearish direction, means it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major drop that's taken place over the last 2 weeks. Yes, I'm not expecting it to keep dropping at that pace and in that direction. In fact, I'm expecting the opposite guys. So by March 2024, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have gone through an overall increase in value. So what I mean by that is, I'm not expecting it to suddenly hit the green candle and pump up in value. It is likely to drop down further over the coming week or two, go for a price correction. Well, it's currently going for a price correction and is likely to correct even more over the coming week or two before it slowly and steadily starts to gain value. like it did earlier on. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see here over the September October time it did gain value at a slow pace, unlike here where it's gained, you know, a huge amount of percentage in a short amount of time. That is not sustainable. What we want to see is a slow and steady increase in value over a long period of time, meaning that is much more sustainable. And instead of pumping and then dropping back down, it would actually pump and stay at that price. That is exactly what we want. We don't want it to pump and then drop down straight away, because first of all, that's not going to give us enough ROI, and it's not really sustainable. That's not something that we really want to invest into. So over the next couple of weeks and months, I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily increase in value after going through a price correction, which is currently going through. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have dropped back down into the red zone. So over the next 2 to 3 months, I'm expecting it to break out from the red zone and head into the green zone, and potentially in the second half of next year we should be able to hit into the dark green zone, which is around here. So yes, I'm expecting big increases in value from Milady meme coin, but that is only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, which I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $45,000. So if that does manage to happen, we should see increases not just on Milady meme coin, but the crypto market in general. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has dropped once again by 27% in the last 24 hours, making it $3 million, guys. The trading volume has been dropping like crazy over the last couple of weeks, so the last 2 weeks. Let me zoom out to the monthly chart. As you guys can see, when it was at its highest here, it was at about $38 million, and ever since then it's just been dropping, dropped nearly about 80 to 90%. Right now it is only at $3 million, so that is a major drop in trading. Not many people are trading it, but a lot of people are just holding back, waiting for it to either drop further or pump back up in value before they can start trading the crypto. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction. I'm expecting it to pump in 2024 as mentioned in the thumbnail. Let me know what your expectations are from this crypto. If anything has changed, comment down below as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Milady meme coin. If you guys have any other cryptos or any questions around this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and get back to you or reply in my next Milady meme coin update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.